I used to turn it over, every word, every line, trying to make it clearer, tracing where we went wrong. But the answers never stayed, they just slipped through my hands like a shape in the water I could not understand. I don't follow every thread, I let it go instead. No more questions in my mind, no more circles left to trace. What we lost, what we found, all have fallen into place. I don't need to figure out what was right or what was wrong. There's a quiet